As people age, life can become more challenging. A sudden unexpected health issue or injury can lead to physical limitations where a person could need assistance with a number of daily activities that they were previously able to perform themselves. While we all hope to never get to this point, the statistics are that 3 out of 4 of us will require this type of assistance in our lifetimes. Are you or your family financially and emotionally prepared for such an event? Do you want to avoid becoming a burden to your family members or spouse? Do you want to avoid having to move to a nursing home facility as you age? Because a failure to plan is a plan to fail. Thank you for taking the time to review the True Freedom Nationwide Home Care Plans. True Freedom plans are the most viable alternative to traditional long-term care insurance, and we are the only company that offers senior home care plans nationwide. Before I get into the plan, I'd like to tell you a little bit about our company, American Senior Services Incorporated. We were created from an insurance entity that was founded in the state of Florida back in 1958. The two principals of our company, Bobby Gross and Bob Doolin, each have over 30 years of experience in the traditional senior insurance industry. Our company pioneered our nationwide home care membership plans back in February of 2008. We maintain the highest rating available from Dun & Bradstreet for financial stability, and we maintain an A+ accredited rating with the Better Business Bureau. So we're a highly rated innovator with extensive history in the senior traditional insurance arena. The True Freedom plans are a service contract or a membership that provides for a senior's future home care service needs. The plans are designed for seniors who waited too long to shop for traditional long-term care insurance and now cannot qualify either because of health underwriting or because of financial limitations. A True Freedom plan could also be added to an existing long-term care policy where the benefit is currently below the current cost of care. The plans have no age limit restrictions. There's no medical underwriting for prospective members. Our nationwide plans have the same rates and the same paperwork in all 50 states, and members can receive access to the service hours of their plan with just a simple toll-free phone call. So we're an innovative nationwide solution with quick access for our members. What you'll notice about the True Freedom plans is there is no age or gender pricing. The only difference between the 4 plans are the amount of home care service hours in that chosen plan. So your choices start with the Bronze plan, which offers 1,500 lifetime membership home care service hours. The Silver plan, which offers 3,000 lifetime membership home care service hours. The Gold plan, which offers 6,000 lifetime membership home care service hours. And the Platinum plan, which offers 10,000 lifetime membership home care service hours. But regardless of which level plan is chosen, all True Freedom plans offer the benefits that seniors and their family members are most concerned with. Things such as meal planning and preparation, assistance with dressing, bathing, toileting, hygiene, grooming, laundry and ironing, changing linens, grocery shopping, light housekeeping, monitoring diet and food expirations, medication reminders, accompanying to doctor's appointments, and much more. All True Freedom plans offer 2 options of non-medical home care service to choose from. Members can select to utilize either agency hours, which are provided by a network of licensed and registered home care agencies in the True Freedom network, or if the member is just more comfortable having someone they know provide their home care assistance versus having a stranger come to the house, members can select to utilize what we call anytime hours, where the member has the freedom to choose a friend or neighbor to provide their home care service. It just cannot be a family member or someone already living in the household. But when it is time for a member to access the home care service hours of their plan, all they have to do is call in to the toll-free number on their field issue contract or on their membership card, and home care assistance will be at their door, usually within 24 hours, contractually within 72 hours. The agency hours provided by a network of licensed and registered home care agencies are available for up to 5 hours a day, 5 days a week, Monday through Friday between the hours of 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. You'll notice there's a lot more latitude in utilizing the anytime hours provided by a chosen friend or neighbor, as those hours are available during any day of the week, during any and all hours, including as an overnight or 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week live-in home care service when requested. And the only requirement for full access to the initial hours of a chosen True Freedom home care plan is that memberships must be past a one-time 90-day waiting period, and that's only following the initial enrollment into a True Freedom home care plan. The way these two entities are compensated are as follows. The anytime hours provided by that chosen friend or neighbor, that friend or neighbor is going to be compensated between $12.50 and $15 an hour. That friend or neighbor will email in a weekly worksheet letting us know what days and how many hours they were in the house, and their payment will then be sent to the member, who would then reimburse the friend or neighbor. As far as the agency hours, all home care agency invoices are sent directly to our company and are paid upon receipt. Our company carries no debt, and the member never sees a bill or an invoice. They just continue to pay their monthly or annual membership fee. Now, the way the hours of a True Freedom plan are distributed are as follows. All True Freedom hours are divided into 10 equal bundles that add up to the lifetime membership hours of a chosen True Freedom plan. So as an example, we're going to look at the Gold plan, which offers 6,000 lifetime membership home care service hours. Those 6,000 hours are divided into 10 bundles of 600 hours. So regardless if a member begins utilizing the home care service hours of their plan in the 4th year of their membership, or the 7th year, or the 9th year, whenever they first call in to access the hours of their plan, they would be utilizing that initial bundle of hours, and they could use those hours as quickly or as slowly as they desire. But once the member has used up the hours in that initial bundle, they then go through a 90-day rejuvenation period where, if they still needed to receive care, this is when family members or friends would get more involved to help them through that 90-day period, or the member would self-pay the home care agency or the friend or neighbor that the True Freedom plan had been compensating. But on the 91st day, the member would be able to access their second bundle of hours, and that cycle would repeat until the member has utilized all 10 bundles that add up to the lifetime membership hours of a chosen plan. At that point, the contract would come to a conclusion and the member would not be permitted to purchase another plan. The rejuvenation period is similar to a donut hole or a shared cost found in traditional insurance plans, and has been the part that has allowed our company to avoid rate increases within the actuarial formula of the True Freedom plans. We have not had a rate increase in the history of our company, and we don't see one in the foreseeable future. Now please know, members can access multiple bundles within a single calendar year within the parameters of the plan, especially in our lower level plans, our bronze and silver plans. We've had members access 2 bundles and start a 3rd bundle in a single calendar year. And also know that members do not need to recover in order to receive continued service at the end of a rejuvenation period. And also know that members will be informed when a rejuvenation period is approaching so they can plan for family members or friends to become more involved. But whenever considering a True Freedom home care plan, you're going to want to take into account the built-in features, the number one feature being the True Freedom Discount Reward Program. Because most seniors are getting a True Freedom plan in place many years before they're going to need to access the home care service hours of their plan, but they would like the peace of mind of knowing that a plan is in place in the event of an unexpected injury or illness, members are going to earn a 10% discount for every anniversary and renewal of their membership plan for each year that no home care service hours have been utilized. And that savings is going to continue for up to the first 4 years of their membership. So let's go ahead and look at all of the plans. The bronze plan starts at $95 a month, the silver plan $175 a month, the gold plan $295 a month, and the platinum plan $475 a month. The percentage of members going on service in the first year of their membership in the history of our company is in a single-digit percentile. So the majority of our members are going to enjoy that 10% discount on the price of maintaining their plans going into year 2. If they still haven't needed to access the home care service hours of their plan, going into year 3, they're going to enjoy a 20% discount. Still not needed to access the home care service hours, a 30% discount going into year 4. And then starting in year 5, all True Freedom home care plans max out at that 40% discounted rate. So that bronze plan that was $95 a month is now only $57 a month to maintain. The silver plan at $175 a month is now only $105 a month. The gold plan at $295 a month is now only $177 a month, and the platinum plan at $475 a month is now only $285 a month to maintain. And all of the plans will remain at that 40% discounted rate year 6, year 7, year 8, year 9, every year that no home care service hours have been utilized, up until the member breaks the seal and calls in to access the home care service hours of their plan for the first time. Once plan hours have been accessed, the price of the contract fee will revert back to the original year 1 amount on their next invoice and remain at that level for the rest of the membership regardless of how often it's utilized. So it's because of the set maximum hours of each plan and the loss of discounts for non-use that members should put the plan away, forget about it, don't even think about accessing the home care service hours of their plan before their need for assistance becomes essential and they feel they're going to need the service hours of their plan for an extended amount of time. The other built-in feature we have is a built-in inflation protection that's part of every True Freedom home care plan. Because members are contracting for access to hours instead of days or dollars per day, the value of the plan hours of each True Freedom membership are going to increase automatically over time with the cost of home care. So as an example, our Platinum plan offers 10,000 lifetime membership home care service hours. Now back in 2014, the nationwide retail average price of bringing in custom home care assistance was $20 an hour, which gave the value of the 10,000 hours of the Platinum plan a $200,000 value. In 2018, that national retail average price rose to $25 an hour, which automatically increased the value of the 10,000 hours of the Platinum plan to $250,000. The estimated future retail cost in the next few years will easily increase to $30 an hour, if not more, which will automatically increase the value of the 10,000 hours of your Platinum plan to $300,000, if not more. The other built-in feature we have is an emergency care benefit, and this is for members who sign up into a plan and have an unexpected injury or illness during that first 90-day waiting period following their initial enrollment into a plan. Members would be able to access up to 10% of the initial hours of their plan as an emergency care benefit during that first 90 days. So that would give someone with a bronze plan up to 15 hours that they would be able to utilize in that first 90 days, all the way up to someone who had a platinum plan who would be able to access 100 hours during that first 90 days of their membership. But on the screen right now you see a list of the top 10 home care corporations that are in the True Freedom Plan network. And these represent thousands of locations across the United States. And there's one thing we have to do better than anything else we do here at American Senior Services Incorporated, which is take care of our members when they call in needing to access the home care service hours of their plan. So if for some reason we do not have a network agency nearby when a member calls in, we open up the phone book and we put the nearest home care agency in our network to serve that member, usually within 24 hours, contractually within 72 hours. But the benefits to the True Freedom Plan members are quite profound. The number one thing a senior is purchasing when they secure a True Freedom home care plan is peace of mind to the members and their families that a plan of care is now in place. Statistically, the number one reason a senior will need home care assistance in the future will be because of a trip and fall accident. The only way to be prepared for that is to already have a plan in place. But our members love the ease of use of our plans, the fact that there's no paperwork, claim forms, health triggers, doctor's reports, all of the paperwork and all of the hoops that insurance companies make seniors jump through in order to receive their benefits don't exist with the True Freedom plans. All a member has to do is call into our toll-free number, and that puts all the wheels into motion. And having a True Freedom plan can help a senior delay or avoid a nursing home stay. 99.9% of the seniors out there never want to leave the comfort of their home, so having a True Freedom plan can give them the very best chance at remaining at home as they age. And seniors receive a quality of recovery at home that they don't receive in a facility. Statistics show seniors recover much faster in familiar surroundings, and there's a much lower chance of infection. It's also very wise financial planning to have a True Freedom plan in place to mitigate the high cost of remaining in the comfort of your own home as you age. We have had no increase in our membership fees in our company's history. Members love having the freedom to be able to choose to receive care either from a licensed home care agency or a friend or neighbor who may have helped them out in the past that they're now going to be able to compensate through the benefits of their True Freedom home care plan. And please know we have a very personalized plan of care with each of our members. We keep very extensive notes during each phone call, so if we haven't heard from a member in a while and they call in again, we just refer to the notes and we pick up right where we left off. But the primary reasons a senior should secure a True Freedom plan today start with the statistics. 70% of seniors will need home care assistance. There's just no putting your head in the sand about that. And it's the people that do that suffer the consequences, and their families suffer the consequences because they're not prepared. The current retail value of bringing custom home care assistance into your home, if you do not have a True Freedom plan in place, can easily run an individual between $1,000 to $4,000 a month, if not more. And the number one reason a senior is going to need to receive home care assistance down the road is memory deficit. Doctors have figured out a way to keep seniors alive much longer these days, but they have not figured out a way to keep the brain function from diminishing. And again, that's followed by that trip and fall accident that can happen any given day, any given hour, and result in a broken hip, a broken shoulder, a broken leg, a head injury that can take a senior many, many months to recover from. But every senior out there is one injury, one illness, one health episode away from no longer being able to live independently and therefore never being able to secure a True Freedom plan of protection. And by having no plan in place, that leaves the decisions regarding that senior's care in other people's hands. So the best way a senior can send a message to their loved ones that they would like to stay in the comfort of their own home for as long as possible would be to get a True Freedom plan in place today. Every senior needs to know at the time of enrollment into a True Freedom plan to select the very best plan you can afford, because as time goes on, plans can always be downgraded, but they can never be upgraded. And while we don't have any medical underwriting, each prospective member must meet the suitability standard for enrollment. Anyone enrolling into a True Freedom plan is declaring that they do not currently need or receive any assistance, including from family members, with activities such as bathing, dressing, or transferring, or with the ability to live independently at the time of enrollment. So anyone enrolling into a True Freedom plan must be able to do their own food preparation, grocery shopping, bathing, dressing, getting to and from doctor's appointments without the need for or assistance from anyone, including family members or a spouse. True Freedom plans are field issue contracts that are issued at the time of enrollment, but shortly after enrolling into a True Freedom plan, members will receive a welcome letter that will also contain a membership card. That membership card also has the toll-free number that a senior would call to access the home care service hours of their True Freedom plan. The True Freedom plan prices start at $95 a month for the Bronze plan, $175 a month for the Silver plan, $295 a month for the Gold plan, and $475 a month for the Platinum plan. The discounts that are available at the time of enrollment begin with a 5% discount for an individual who elects to make an annual membership payment, a 10% discount for a husband and wife, domestic partners, roommates, any two people enrolling at the same time and paying monthly, and a 15% discount on that husband and wife, domestic partners, roommates enrolling at the same time and both electing to make an annual membership payment. So in review, the True Freedom Home Care plans are the only nationwide home care option for seniors. We're the leading alternative to long-term care insurance. Our membership plans have services valued currently up to $250,000, and there are no age limits or medical underwriting. Our plans start at only $95 a month, and they can help a senior delay or avoid a nursing home confinement. It's a very cost-effective investment for your peace of mind, and you can protect your family from future unexpected burden. There are discount rewards for up to 40% during the years you don't need to access the home care service hours of your plan, and the plans provide private care in the comfort of your own home. But in order to enroll into a True Freedom plan, you must be able to live independently. So secure your True Freedom Home Care plan today. Thank you for taking the time to review the True Freedom Nationwide Home Care plans. If you have any questions or requests, please contact your True Freedom Plans field representative today.